In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Read AI from Zoom. If you've noticed an automated bot capturing notes or recordings in your meetings and you don't want it there, I'll show you exactly how to remove it from your Zoom account and how to take it out of a live meeting. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can get this done quickly. First, let's remove Read AI from your Zoom account via the Zoom app marketplace. Open the Zoom app marketplace and sign in. Once you're in, go to Manage, then select Installed Apps. This page shows every app connected to your Zoom account. Look for Read AI in that list. When you find it, click it and then choose Remove or Uninstall. Confirm the removal when prompted. This action disconnects Read AI from your account so it can't automatically join future meetings through your Zoom integration. If you have multiple Zoom accounts, make sure you're signed into the correct one before you remove it and give the page a moment to update after you confirm. If you use Zoom on more than one device, don't worry, you only need to remove the app once from the marketplace for it to stop working across all devices tied to that account. Next, if you're already in a meeting and you see Read AI in the participant list, you can remove it right away. Open the participants panel, find Read AI in the list and click the three dots next to its name. Select Remove. You may be asked to confirm. Once you do, the bot will leave the meeting. Keep in mind that you typically need to be the host or a co-host to remove participants. If you're not the host, ask the host to follow the same steps. Removing the bot during the meeting is helpful when it shows up unexpectedly or was invited by someone else. It won't come back unless someone re-invites it or it's still connected through an account integration you haven't removed. To recap, disconnecting Read AI from the Zoom app marketplace prevents it from joining future meetings through your account, while removing it from the participants panel kicks it out of a meeting that's already in progress. Doing both ensures coverage now and later. If you plan to host recurring meetings, it's a good idea to remove the app from the marketplace first, then double check the participants panel at the start of your next session to confirm it isn't present. That's it. Follow these quick steps and you'll have full control over whether Read AI participates in your Zoom meetings.